아일랜드의 한 장애인 시설 캐리그모어. 좀처럼 활기라곤 느껴지지 않는 이곳에 반항적인 눈빛이란 번개머리 로리가 입소하는데
Hello, Rory. My name is Eileen Sheehy. Now, I hope you're quite at home with us here in Carrickmore.
You'll get me home front door key.
Oh, no, we don't give out front door keys here.
It's not home then, is it?
비록 휠체어에 의존해 살아가지만 로리는 누구보다 자유로운 영혼을 가진 청년이었는데요.
Besides the full vocal range, I have the use of 2 fingers of my right hand, sufficient for self-propulsion and self-abuse. You can shake me hand or kiss me arse, but don't expect me to reciprocate.
We don't tolerate coarse language here, Rory.
그날 밤 조용했던 요양시설은 한바탕 난리가 나죠.
Rory, you can't play loud music in the middle of the night. You no respect in this house.
I haven't earned my respect.
It's all right, Mother.
Like, that's my music.
반항기 넘치는 로리는 캐리그모어의 큰 골칫거리가 되어버립니다.
Hey, if you're alive, shout! Shout if you're alive! Come on, free the Carrickmore fucking one! Come on, shout! Somebody shout! She's stolen me stereo! It's robbery!
반면 뇌성마비를 앓고 있는 마이클은 로리와 달리 조용하고 수동적인 청년이었는데요.
Finished. What are you looking at, Mary? My Swahili's a bit off the boil. Do you speak any English?
Use your card, for Christ's sake.
I'll take that, Tommy.
He's got this yoke with the alphabet printed on it. He can spell out words.
Does it take long?
Half the fucking day.
Language, Tommy.
Are you worth it? Are you worth the effort? When's there a mind in there?
Cerebral palsy. Fucks your brain. Don't expect Einstein.
And you'd be Stephen Hawking, would you?
There's nothing wrong with my brain. It's the rest of me that's bollocks. Or me bike into a tree.
Is that your most intelligent act to date?
Fuck off, the party.
자신의 말을 알아듣는 듯한 로리의 존재에 마이클은 호기심이 생기죠.
Just try to relax there. Okay, Michael? So left side 40. Right side 39. You all right, Michael?
Are you enjoying that, Mike?
You're all right, Michael. Do you want me to get your card?
No.
I'll get your card, Michael.
That's all right. He just wants me to go away. He says I'm driving him up the wall. Love to see you try that one, Mary.
알파벳판 없이도 마이클의 말을 막힘없이 해석하는 로리.
Okay, smart boy. Guess who this is?
Yeah, I can understand you. How? Well, I spent 6 years in a class next to a kid that makes you sound like Launch fucking Olivier.
What did he say now?
I think he said you were a prick.
Ah, fuck off, the party is.
그렇게 마이클과 로리는 서로의 아쉬운 부분을 채워주고
Don't you want to be like everyone else? You know, get drunk, get arrested, get laid.
단 한 번도 생각조차 못한 이야기에 마이클의 말문은 막혀버리죠.
How long have you been living in places like this? All your life. What crime did you commit? Unarmed robbery. Bit of a comedian, are we, Mary?
며칠 후 가족 초청 파티로 시설 전체가 떠들썩하지만 마이클의 표정은 쓸쓸하기만 합니다.
How's your breathing?
In and out.
You know, if you wanted to come back home, son,
I'm all right, Dad.
there'd be no trouble.
I'm all right. Dad. You couldn't lend us some money, could you? I want to buy a seat.
I think that there are regulations there in place that enable us to protect products. So I don't
My dad. Do you have a good look at him?
bananas and cucumbers are
He
actually
can barely look after himself.
are there to enable traders and consumers
What about you?
to get product in a certain
Where are your
time.
parents?
And if a trader in Germany wants to order products from Ireland,
Fergus Connolly. Is that your dad? Does he come to see you? And your mother? She died and he dumped you. What a bastard.
유명 정치인의 아들로 태어났지만 어머니가 세상을 떠남과 동시에 시설에 버려진 마이클. 두 사람은 캐리그모어의 모금 활동을 위해 길거리로 나서는데
Hey, it's a Roy's offer. I saw her first. Follow me, and I'll show you some real romance.
로리가 향한 곳은 사람들로 가득한 술집이었죠.
Over there. Keep your mouth shut. I'll do the talking.
두 명의 여성에게 다가가는 로리.
Congratulations, girls. You've been chosen cripple companions of the month.
로리는 여성들에게 자연스레 말을 걸죠.
We buy the drinks. You hold him for his head. Is that sound?
Sounds alright.
Excellent. No. Sure, it's for funding the needs of the disabled. I'm disabled and I need a drink. Life is dishonest, Michael. Stick that in here.
어느새 분위기는 무르익어가고
What's it about?
Well, it's about these two guys in wheelchairs, and they're not much to look at. Well, he's not, but my character, he's quite handsome, really. And they go in a pub and they meet these two girls, and they kiss them, and the girls fall in love with them, and they take them home.
Thanks for the drinks, lads. We have to head off.
Come on
I
now.
wanted to hear the end of the story. This is the end of the story. Come on.
Come on, I'm just getting to the good bit.
Can't go anywhere. Locked. Can barely stand up.
Well, you can't be as bad as us. Sure, we're legless. Hey, do you like that? That's more where that came from.
You've lovely eyes.
Let me second best feature.
Nice.
Good night.
See ya.
What did I tell you? Hey? Same again?
로리가 돌아서던 그때 다른 손님과 부딪히며 작은 말다툼이 벌어지고 마는데
What are you like? Picking on a fella in a wheelchair.
당찬 시반의 도움으로 사건은 그쯤에서 마무리되죠.
Hey, this is what you're doing tomorrow night.
Staying out of trouble. So should you?
Where's the fun in that shit? We'd never have met you. Beautiful. Yes, she is.
여세를 몰아 클럽으로 향하는 두 사람.
Sorry, lads. McGovern's round to the right.
No, come to boogie.
Not with them boots, you're not.
Wait, is that the club talking or is that you?
Hey, on this door I am the club, right? Is he all right?
He says you're in breach of EU Directive 739 Section 6B.
로리는 마이클의 말을 부지런히 전달하고
Discrimination against persons with disability. Places of public entertainment. It's a €2,000 fine. Payable by the official denying entry. That's you, pal.
How are you, guard? Look, I don't want any trouble from the law, right?
Well, you just bought yourself a load. My friend here's a barrister.
Right, inside. But remember, for future reference, wheelchair night's Monday night, right? I'll give it a fucking go on.
물 만난 고기처럼 로리는 이 순간을 만끽하죠. 그 순간 마이클의 눈에 자신들을 도왔던 시반의 모습이 들어오는데 아름다운 그녀를 보며 마이클의 심장은 터질 것만 같죠.
Look who it is.
그렇게 두 사람은 잊을 수 없는 추억을 만들고 캐리그모어로 돌아갑니다.
The collection had to be abandoned because of you. And as for you, Michael, I am just so disappointed in you. You have never been any trouble before.
It was my fault, Eileen. I led him astray, and I've disgraced myself.
Yes, you have.
So if you just change me underpants, we'll say no more about it.
그로부터 얼마 후 사회복지센터를 찾는 로리.
Hello again, Rory.
This is Michael Connolly. He's my lawyer.
Oh, right. Okay, well, this is your third application for the independent living allowance. Your previous applications were refused on the grounds that you were unsuited for self-regulation and lacking responsibility for the employment of others. Would you like to tell us what's changed since your last application?
Yeah. Well, I'm learning that I have a lot of energy. And I'm come to terms with learning to control that energy and use it for constructive, productive purposes.
그는 청산유수 같은 말솜씨를 선보이지만
Rory, you know our funds are very limited.
Yeah.
Okay. And we have to disperse them in the wisest way possible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, I'm afraid that we've heard a story concerning the mishandling of some collection money.
그들은 로리의 책임감을 문제 삼으며 자립지원금 지급을 거절하죠.
Can I suggest we meet again in 6 months to review the situation?
No, look, under EU Directive 5096, discrimination against persons with disabilities. Yeah, well, it means you have to do what I say. It's a €2,000 fine, isn't it? Isn't it? It's a €15,000 fine.
클럽에서와 같은 방법을 써보지만 담당자들은 눈 하나 깜짝았는데
Look, all I'm asking for is a chance to live in my own home.
Oh, we agreed on 6 months.
6 months?
6 months, Rory, it's not that long.
Some fucking lawyer you are. Open the door!
둘 사이에 어색한 공기만 흐르던 어느 날 마이클은 로리에게 함께 동행해 줄 것을 부탁하죠.
Now, Michael Connolly.
Ah, Michael, come in.
로리를 위해 자신의 이름으로 자립지원 신청에 나선 마이클.
Rory, if you don't mind, it's Michael's application we're hearing.
Oh, you'll hear it. You won't understand it.
Rory, can you wait outside, please?
I think that between us, we have enough experience of applicants with speech difficulties to be able to manage without you. Thanks, Roisin. Now, Michael, the purpose of this chat is to assess what you believe the philosophy to be behind independent living.
Independent living allows me to grow and mature as a person. It helps me fulfill the potential within myself. Which is not always realised by institutional living. It opens the way for me to make a real contribution. And to live a fuller life.
Thank you, Michael. That's a very good answer.
There is just one concern, Michael. Your decision not to use speech aids. Do you not think that's going to make things harder in the long run?
I don't need speech aids. As I will have a full-time live-in interpreter.
I'm sorry, who?
Rory O'Shea. 2 for the price of 1.
그렇게 로리는 마이클의 대변인 자격으로 함께 요양시설을 나올 수 있게 됩니다.
You read their brochure. You read their brochure back to them. That's genius.
당장 설집을 마련해야 했던 두 사람은 어쩔 수 없이 마이클을 외면했던 아버지를 찾아가는데
Can I help you?
Yeah, Michael Connolly to see Fergus Connolly.
Do you have an appointment?
He does, but he's a bit late.
What time is it for?
1981.
I'm sorry, Mr. Connolly is not here.
Fergus Connolly! Fergus
God.
Connolly!
I'm
Fergus
sorry,
Connolly,
gentlemen.
come out.
I'm going
Fergus
to have
is
to ask
going
you to leave.
Come on!
There's causing a disturbance.
Fergus, it's lovely to meet you. I'm Rory O'Shea. This is Michael Connolly. We've come to report a blatant case of criminal neglect.
It's all right, Guard. I'll handle this. Thanks, Sylvia. Come on in. What do you want?
Try asking him. He thinks you've nothing in your head, Michael.
하지만 마이클은 끝내 용기를 내지 못하죠.
Michael didn't even want to come here today. And for some strange reason, he felt it was demeaning to be seeking out the gobshite that flushed him at birth. I had to persuade him.
What do you need from me?
Ground floor flat. 2 bedrooms. Wheelchair access. Michael needs a home.
What then?
You get what you had before we came in.
Okay.
You got a home out of it. Somewhere we can live. And you better take it, Michael, or we're both fucked. Trust me, Michael. It'll be worth it.
새 보금자리는 제법 널찍하고 쾌적했는데요.
The lighting can be voice activated. I'll show you this switch here if you want to use it. On. Off. Oh. Right, well, so if there's nothing else, I leave the keys with you boys, right?
No rules.
이어 자신들을 도와줄 간병인을 뽑기 위해 나섭니다.
So after 16 years of military service, I felt change was required. I want to do some humanitarian work. Sorry, but could you straighten up while I'm talking to you?
Well, now, aren't you great lads for giving us a bash? Trying it on your own, why not?
Jesus loves you, Michael. Jesus loves you, Rory. My work with you people would be an expression of that love.
마음에 드는 사람을 구하지 못한 채 시간만을 여보내던 그때 지난번 술집에서 도움받았던 시반을 보게 된 두 사람.
I'm not qualified.
You've got the best qualifications we've seen in a long time.
Really?
Definitely.
I already have a job.
Yeah, you do, stacking shelves.
It's temporary. Who would I be working for?
Me. Him. Me and him. Oh, come on, we'd be no trouble. I mean, he can hardly talk, and I'm pretty quiet myself.
Oh, jeez, I don't know. Never done anything like this before.
Excellent. Neither have we.
그녀가 어려운 마음의 결정을 내리며 로리와 마이클의 본격적인 자립 생활이 시작됩니다.
Try this one.
Okay, all right,
You
you're
just
all
got to
right.
lift it up now.
Yes.
Come on now.
Okay. You're comfortable?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
On you go. Sit down where you go.
You're being sarcastic.
You have a boyfriend.
I used to. Did I what?
Did you love him?
Yeah.
Did you want to marry him?
I never really thought about it.
Ah, come on now, Siobhan. Did he break your little heart?
Do you want to go under a bus?
No, would you like to go under a wheelchair?
Yeah, shut up, Rory.
Yeah, shut up, Rory.
그렇게 세 사람은 서로에게 조금씩 더 마음의 문을 열어가죠.
Can I ask you something? Were you born like this?
Like what?
Dodgy hair and shit taste in music.
No. No, that's something I've had to work long and hard at.
I focus on the pain. The needle tears the hole.
Will I do your hair?
The old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become?
그녀의 친절한 미소와 행동에 마이클은 지금껏 느껴보지 못한 사랑의 감정을 키워나가고 있었는데
Everyone I know goes away.
Oh! Did you see that, Michael? That was life passing you by. Come on, let's go out. You're waiting for Siobhan? What for? Come on, what are you going to do? You're going to sit in here and have her do everything for you? Come on, let's go out. Fun, see you later. You know what you're doing? Building a little carrot more for yourself.
무심한 듯 던진 그의 말 뒤엔 마이클을 향한 진심 어린 걱정이 담겨 있었습니다. 오늘도 역시나 조용히 지나가지 못하는 로리.
Hey, Porter, put him back in his chair. Get this car towed out of here.
Hey, aren't you going to arrest me?
No.
That's discrimination. Look, you're only doing that because I'm disabled. It's me civil right to be arrested.
Look, just give me your name and address. We leave it at that, all right?
Hi.
Yeah?
I'm looking for Rory O'Shea. He's in a wheelchair.
Oh, him? Yeah, we let him go about half an hour ago.
로리는 한참이 지나서야 집으로 돌아오는데요.
Where were you? Michael was worried sick about you.
Are you worried about me, Michael?
I was down to go at 11:30 tonight. I'm not charging you this time, but you better know I have a life of my own.
Well, no, I haven't.
That's not what I meant.
It wasn't her fault. Your knight in shiny pyjamas here says I have to leave you alone.
5 minutes, Rory. I can either get you ready for bed in that time, or you can sit there and slag the both of us. Up to you, but in 5 minutes I'm not that
Come back,
bored.
Delilah. All is forgiven. Don't you lecture me about responsibility. If it wasn't for me, you'd still be sitting in your own shite in Carrickmore spelling out toilet in that piece of card.
Don't say that.
Don't tell me what to do. I don't want anyone's help. She's not on our side. She's paid to do what we tell her to do. Now, what have you got to offer a woman like that? Cop on to yourself. Stop for a minute and take a look at yourself in a mirror.
그로부터 며칠 후
Siobhan, hey. You look great. How's it going?
Great, yeah.
Great. Oh, look, I'm having a party on Saturday night. A fancy dress. You should come.
I don't know, I've...
You want to go?
Great. I gotta go, but I'll see you around 9. And the doorbell's broke.
Yeah, I know.
Oh!
Hello, Dr. Strangelove.
Are you sure that's what Florence Nightingale wore?
Who cares?
시반과 함께 나서는 파티에 마이클은 설레는 마음을 감추지 못하는데
Hello.
Be careful. You know, someone might think tonight's their lucky night.
Siobhan! Great to see you. Mind you, fair play.
This is Rory.
Rory, how you doing? You having a good time, yeah?
Yeah, great party. But you talking about?
Come on, let's see some.
시반에게서 눈을 떼지 못하는 마이클. 다른 사람과 즐거워 보이는 그녀 모습에 마이클의 질투심은 폭발하고
Fancy going to karaoke there, Michael?
What did he say?
Feel my arms around you. Of course I will. How long I have waited just to love you. Now that I have found
Don't tread on my feet.
결국 자신의 감정을 주체하지 못합니다.
Mike, can I have a back?
Feel my arms around you.
I'm really sorry.
How long I have waited just to love you. Now that I I'm sorry, Michael, but
Do you have any feelings for me?
Michael, I'm paid to do what I do for you. That's my job. That isn't love. And what you feel for me, that isn't love either. It's gratitude.
받아들이기 버거운 상황에 결국 두 사람의 곁을 떠나는 시반. 멀어지는 그녀의 뒷모습을 바라보며 마이클은 빗속으로 무작정 뛰어듭니다. 죽을 듯 괴로워하는 마이클의 모습에 로리는 마음속 깊은 위로를 건네죠.
You didn't fuck it up. We fucked it up. I know it hurts. You're not the only one with the broken heart. You have the future, Michael. That's what I call a gift. Don't give it up. Sure, you've got the whole world in your hands.
친구의 마음은 달랬지만 그날의 비로 로리는 심각한 폐렴을 앓게 됩니다.
His heart and lung muscles are severely affected. It varies a little with Duchenne, but it's usually around his age.
남몰래 희귀 질환을 앓고 있던 로리에게 지금의 상황은 희망을 기대하기 어려웠죠.
There you are. I've been worried about you. Look at all this. You see? Rory O'Shea was here.
Rory O'Shea is here.
Michael, you need nobody. You're your own man.
마이클은 로리에게 배운 방식대로 그를 돕기 위해 나서는데
We know about Rory's condition, Michael. We appreciate you want to help your friend, but is now the right time for this?
Why did you come here today?
I'm his lawyer.
All right, if you want to. Rory's application for personal assistance was turned down on the grounds of insufficient responsibility. The grounds for appeal are given as prejudice. Would you like to explain why Rory feels the interviewing panel showed prejudice?
When I first met Rory, I thought he was trouble. And I was right. He is trouble. Yet because he's seen as a rebel, you believe he hasn't the responsibility to live independently. But how do you learn to be responsible? You live in the world. You make your own decisions. You make your own mistakes. So if this panel can offer independent living to someone like me, who until recently had no concept of what that meant, and refuse someone whose very life is an embodiment of independence, then I believe that the panel showed a prejudice. A right must exist independently of its exercise.
친구를 위해 처음으로 자신의 목소리를 낸 마이클.
Okay. I think you can tell Rory that, in principle, he can have the service he's applied for.
기쁜 소식을 들고 병원으로 향하지만 로리는 그새를 참지 못하고 자유를 찾아 떠나버렸죠.
All right? Can I do anything for you?
No.
Come on, man, we're going out.
Yeah.
Okay.
마음을 두드리는 로리의 목소리를 따라 용기 내 세상 밖으로 나서는 마이클의 모습을 비추며 영화는 마무리됩니다.
Thank you.